Horse. Do you know what the horse says? That's right. Dog. The dog makes what sound? That's right. Chicken. What sound does the chicken make? That's right. Cat. What sound does the cat make? That's right. This is a cow. What does the cow go? This is a goat. This is a sheep. What sound does the sheep make? That's right. This is a turkey. A donkey. A pig. What sound does the pig make? That's right. Ooh, this is a bull. A duck. What sound does the duck make? That's right. A deer. A bunny or a rabbit. And a rooster. What sound does the rooster make? That's right. These are all farm animals.